Hi there. So in this video, I just want to show you how you can use Postman to list NFTs using the Mirror World SDK. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to have a developer account. If you have a developer account, you can create a new project and you can get the API key, which is here, and you will need this to access the API. So the first thing we'd like to do is I'd like to see the NFTs that I have in my wallet. So you can do that by just copying your wallet address, and you can look for the search NFTs by owners and then pass in your wallet address in here. The other thing that you would want to make sure of is that you can find make sure that the API key has already been provided. So here we'll just customize this a little bit. All right, looks like it's already added it for me here. You can get it from the developer dashboard. All right, so now we can query the NFTs in my wallet, and there we go. Now it's returned a bunch of objects. So I'll just look for any NFT, a random NFT that does not have any listings on it. So we can test it, and I could show you how to do the marketplace listing. Oh yeah, let's use this one. This looks like it has no listings on it. Yeah, this is an NFT I minted maybe yesterday. Let's use this one. So for this, we're going to use it to create a new listing. So to create a new listing, because it's NFTs in my wallet, you need to have this bearer token to pass inside the authorization header. So first, we need to put this NFT's mint address in this object here. And then on the developer dashboard, you need to get your marketplace address. You can create a new marketplace, or you could just use this one. I already made one, so if you haven't already, it's very simple. You just click create and follow the form and copy this address. This value is what you pass inside here for the auction house property. And then this is the price you want to list it at. Let's say 1 sol or 2 sol or 3 sol. Let's use 3 sol for this example. And the last thing you need is your authorization token, which you will see on the developer dashboard. This token is only shown to you once, and I advise not to paste it anywhere else because it's a sensitive credential. Because it represents you. If you lose it, or if it's compromised, you could just come back to the dashboard and hit add, and it will refresh. So it will get rid of the old one. It will delete the old one and invalidate it, and only you will generate a new one. So copy this and save this somewhere safe, because it represents your developer wallet, right? So okay, now we'll come back here, go to the authorization, rather in the headers, look for the authorization header, and then paste that token in there, and just make sure that the params are correct. We want to list on Solana mainnet, right? Mainnet beta. So I'll just open this call request, and you can see that it works. All right, there we go. We have made a brand new listing for this NFT. And if we go back to this query NFT by owners, let's look for this NFT by its mint address. I believe it was, let's copy the mint address here. It was DZ12. You can search NFT by mint address here, right? And if you query this, it should now be able to show you the NFT with the new listing. Great. And you check the marketplace address, it's the same one that we created on your developer dashboard. All right, let's say now you want to cancel this listing. If you're the owner of this NFT, you can cancel this listing from this marketplace. That is also very simple to do. Look for the cancel listing API, and for the cancel listing API, you can make sure that the parameters are the same. So for example, if I listed this NFT with a price of 2 sol, and on this specific marketplace address, then I have to make sure that I cancel the values are the same. So what I will do is I'll just come in here, copy this object, and just paste it in here. The body params are the same, and then hit send. I'll just check the authorization as well. That's the correct API key. Headers, I need to make sure I used the same authorization header, because I deleted it from the old one while I was just testing this. So let's try that again and replace that in here. You know what, let's use the terminal to see that to test it to see that it actually works, right? So you can just find any terminal application, and if you paste this in here and run it, it should perform the request, and there we go, it was successful, and the listing was cancelled. You can see the message here that it shows. You can also try to query this NFT again by its mint address, and you'll see that the listing has actually been deleted. So this was actually very simple, and these transactions actually happened on the blockchain. So if you look for this NFT, let's go back and copy this NFT address and look for it on the Solana Explorer. You will see that this is the NFT, and you can see the transactions that we just did here, right? We created a listing and we canceled it, right? These are all real transactions that happened, right? Cancel listing, right? So all this actually happened. So you can do the same for buying an NFT, do the same for canceling or updating a listing if you want to change it. So that's how you can use Postman to do these kinds of transactions. Yeah, otherwise thanks a lot, and if you have any questions, please hit me up on Discord and we'll be sure to help. Bye.